How's it going, guys? If you're currently looking for a way to earn additional income, you come to the right place. So what I'm going to do right now is show you how to register and go about becoming a qualified member. All right, so what you're going to do is if you're coming to this page, you're going to scroll all the way down, and as you scroll down, you will see whoever's referral ID, which it shows mine, but if you're watching this from my team members um, website, you'll see their referral ID. So what you're going to do is put your email, a valid email, right here. I'm gonna put mine. All right, and once you put your email, you're gonna click register now. All right, guys, and it's gonna take you to this page right here, and you're just gonna put all in your valid information. You're gonna re-put your email. You're gonna put your new password that you're gonna create twice, your first and last name. Your home address. It cannot be a PO box. City and state, zip code, the country you live in, your date of birth, your phone number, your PayPal, email, and how as far as how you heard about this program. Whoever refers you, you just put a friend or family member who referred you, or it could just be like the person's name, whatever the case may be, and then you're gonna just you know type in whatever you see right here, you know, for the captcha, and then once you filled out the form correctly, you're gonna just click the complete registration button, and it's gonna take you to the status page. So let's get to it. All right. Currently, we're on my status page, guys, and I have 2 qualified referrals. Right, and let me just show you where you will find your referral ID. To get to your prospects. So you're gonna click on your referral link, this site, and it'll have a different number at the end of it, and you're just gonna copy and paste it and send it to the person that wants to be a qualified member. And I do set up a free marketing system for you. So just ask about it if you want to know how to set it up. All right. So what you're gonna be doing next is completing your advertiser offers. So let's get to the offers page. Alright, guys, so you're going to click on advertiser offers, and it's going to take you to this page right here, and there'll be a video explaining how to become qualified. There's a video for each step, but I'm just walking you through it on this video also. Alright, so you're going to scroll down, and there's going to be different advertiser offers to choose from that you will need a valid debit card for, and some of you don't. Like, for instance, publish a book and grow rich. You do not need card info for it. It says no credit card is required, and that's completely free. There's different advertiser offers to choose from. This company's even partner with Straight Talk, Uber, just a couple of well-known trusted companies, and you can choose several different advertising offers. You just have to meet your offer requirements of 1 full credit to become a qualified member. And I'm not gonna give you a specific one to complete. I'm just gonna show you all that there is as far as what you can complete. It's up to you. You can choose whichever ones that fits you. That fits your budget. All right. And if you so happen to need help with having the funds to complete your advertiser offers, feel free to reach out to me or my team member. All right. So if you click on view all advertiser offers, it's going to take you to the whole list of offers for you to do. Some of them are $1, and you just want to watch out for the credit value of each one. So the one that has the most credit value, would be the best to do. This only $1 for protect my ID, or it's similar to LifeLock. It protects your identity, from hackers and all that. All right, so there's GoDaddy. Now for GoDaddy, you get a $5.com domain. It's a 1-year subscription, and we're gonna use that for your marketing system that we're gonna set up. So whoever website you're viewing this from, I'm pretty sure you're on their capture page right now, and you're gonna get one similar like that. All right, so if you have kids, there's Dr. Seuss Book Club, eFax, you need a fax number for your business, um, Experian, that's just to name a few, all right? And I'm not going to go over all of them now. I want to show you guys income proof just to let you know this is a legit program and the different payment options that you have that's available to you. So let's get to it. And also I'm going to show you the tax form that you will fill out if you exceed $600 in revenue. All right, guys, we're on the orders page. You're going to click on orders right there to get to this page. And you have 4 different payment options available to you, which is PayPal, direct deposit, a company check, or a money order. And it explains that in this video right here that you can play. And, you know, I have 2 orders on the way, but before I can receive my payments, I have to, submit my tax form that I'm going to show you guys. But these are all the commissions that I've earned so far. Now, you won't have to submit a tax form until you've made over $600 in income, which I've surpassed already, all right? So, now I'm going to go to my status page and let you see what it's going to show once you've made over $600 in income. All right, guys, so we're going to go to the status page right here. All right, guys, my account is temporarily on hold, as you can see, and it's saying that that I have to fill out the W-9 form. This is the website you go to fill out the W-9 form, and it says you have now made over $600 in referral cash out commission for this tax year. According to United States federal law, we are now required to get true and correctly filled out IRS form W-9 from you to report to your 1099 miscellaneous income. As per our terms of service, we have placed you on temporary hold, and you will not cash out any more of your commissions until you have sent and signed true and correct IRS form W-9. And then it gives you the link. So now I'm going to show you the website. So I'm going to click on it right now, and it's going to open the tax form. As you can see, it's loading right now. And you do get tax write-offs for any expenses as far as maybe business cards, gas mileage, just about any and everything, even your cell phone bill. All right, so you're gonna fill this form out, your first and last name, the business, you will put Zazz Freebies LLC, as where it says business name disregarded entity. All right, so I'm not gonna type any of the information in, but I'm just telling you guys what you have to do. And then you would click individual, sole proprietor, single member LLC as the tax classification that you would choose, all right, and then your social security number. Now you won't have to fill this out just yet, guys. This is just later on down the line once you've made, over $600. So don't panic. Like, why do I have to put my, my personal info? That's only if you made over $600. But with the tools and training that I provide for you guys, it's just gonna make it simple for you to make income, all right? So, let me tell you the company that this network is partnering with. I'm gonna go to the website. So let's get to the website, so you know a little bit more about what this network is about. All right, guys, we're on lfkproducts.com, and this company has been around since 2009, as you can see, and it explains in details, on the different networks that they're partnered with. Including Zazz Freebies, Jungle Paradise, Paradise Freebies, which is the same thing. And it shows how many affiliates they paid out so far this year, in the commissions that's been paid, and how many support tickets have been placed. So these are all the networks. So you see Free Treasure, Chess, Paradise Freebies, My Cash Freebies, U.S. Homework First, Instant Prize, and then Zazz Freebies. So, they have 6 networks that's inside of this company, all right? And, if you have any further questions about how this works, just go to this website. You can talk to the support team. And, there you have it. I hope that you get started with me and my team, and you can get access to all our tools and training. And I'll see you in the next video. and let's get you paid as soon as possible.